Netflix stock has gone through a major pullback in 2026, and some of you may see the share price going up and may be wondering, hey, did I miss an opportunity? Should I go ahead and jump in now? Is this going to go to the moon? Right? And these are some great questions. We're going to be going over some of it, and we're going to be discussing if there's an opportunity here, if I have it in my portfolio, and you're going to find out in this video, so stay tuned. Is Netflix becoming a buying opportunity, right? That's the big question, because when you look at the past recent stock, the stock showed weakness, but actually the business is still producing some impressive numbers. I'm going to share that with you. Netflix grew second quarter 2026 revenue by 13% year over year, generated a 33% operating margin, and remain on track for approximately 51 billion to 51.4 billion in revenue for 2026. So you can see um, the numbers are looking good, right? Now, when it comes to revenue at 13% year over year, I get it. We would like to see that number higher. And that's where I'm going to get into the next opportunity that I see. I think what's going to help take Netflix to the next level, and that's why someone would want to invest in it, in my opinion, at least for me. And I do have Netflix in my portfolio, and I think this is a great asset to have. But the key thing when it comes to these great assets is being patient. I get it. Today's generation want to see instant profits. And I understand that. Don't get me wrong. I want to see instant profit too. I want to buy something and in 1 second see it already up, right? In 30 minutes, see my gains up a lot, right? Who doesn't want to see that? But in Wall Street, what really pays off is buying great assets and being patient. Long-term investing has really created some wealth for individuals. So if you're looking to take your portfolio to the next level, you got to have a long-term strategy in there, and you got to be investing in great assets. And when there's pullbacks, when you see a stock getting beaten down, but you can see the potential in it, that's a great opportunity to DCA into it and increase your position size. Matter of fact, if you're watching this video and you have Netflix, let me know. Let everyone know that's watching. Go down to the comments below. Let us know what was your entry on Netflix. I love to know. I got in this one after a split, under $100 a share, and I love to know what you got yours at. But let's get into the opportunity. So the opportunity that I see here is Netflix already has hundreds of millions of paid members, right? A lot of you that are watching this have Netflix, and an audience of approaching 1 billion. Just think about that. Look at the reach that Netflix has, right? That is big. And that's why I think advertising gives Netflix entire new revenue stream, and that's what's going to take Netflix to the next level is advertising. I think this is going to be big for Netflix, in my opinion. Now, I can't tell you what to buy, hold, or sell. I'm just sharing my opinion. Remember, I'm not a professional, but let's get into a little bit of Netflix numbers when it comes to advertising. So, Netflix advertising revenue grew more than 2.5 times compared with the previous year, reaching more than 1.5 billion for 2026. Netflix has projected advertising revenue of roughly 3 billion. Now, this is why I believe Netflix is going to go to the next level. I think we're here in the advertising segment, but the stock has pulled back. And when a stock pulls back, there is a reason. And we want to be aware of what's going on that the share price has gone down. So where I see opportunity is also been a reason that the stock price got beaten down. So this is important to know that. So it's been under pressure, and the advertising business has not grown as quickly as some investors expected, right? And that disappoints investors. And when investors get disappointed, what happens to the share? You already know the answer. The price goes down. So Netflix second quarter results show strong profitability, but advertising revenue and future guidance disappointed some analysts, contributing to concerns about the pace of growth. Now, I'm not concerned about it because I believe Netflix is going to overcome, and that this part of Netflix is going to excel if you're patient. I'm seeing the price of the share price going down. I'm just seeing it as a buying opportunity, and what I'm trying to do is grow my share count, because at the end of the day, what matters a lot when you're investing in great assets is your share count. So anytime you're investing in something that you know it's a good company and you see potential in it, you want to grow your position size. Now, investing always carries risk. And sometimes you may think you found a great opportunity and you may get it wrong. The reason I say that, just understand no matter what you're investing in, could be Netflix, it could be another company, you're always going to have some risk. So always try to be safe when you're investing. Now, what I do is I take money. I don't take the money like my rent money and things like that. I take money that I set aside that I could put into the stock market. That if I lost it all the next day, yeah, it would hurt, but it wouldn't destroy you financially. So be responsible. If you can buy a lot of shares and you're comfortable with that, that's fine. If you're not at that level and you got to start by just buying $5 a week into an asset you like, that's okay. The important thing is just starting, right? And building up your portfolio. The level you do it at, it's going to vary based on what you can do. But if you are looking to change your life down the road, you got to start somewhere. And I think Netflix is going to be a company that's going to be able to provide more life-changing opportunities for even current investors. I know Netflix has changed a lot of lives for individuals that invested early on, and I believe it's going to continue to do so. So really the part that I like about Netflix is the advertising. Even though there's some concerns there, I think that's what's going to help take Netflix to the next level. So that's where I see um, the opportunity. And I wanted to share that with you. I wanted to bring it to the channel. I wanted to make a quick video on Netflix. Didn't want to take too much of your time. But like always, I appreciate everyone that clicked, watched the video. If you're still at the end of this video, then do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit the like button for me. If you're not part of the team, go ahead and hit the subscribe. Also, check out the description box. If you're someone that's just starting out, or maybe you're a seasoned already in the stock market and you want to join a community where we're talking about stocks, we're sharing ideas, we're sharing opportunities, then go ahead and join my Patreon. It's a community of like-minded people that are just looking to grow their portfolios. If that sounds like something that catches your interest, then go ahead and hit that description box and check out my Patreon page. Again, like always, thank you for your time. I know it's valuable. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you on the next video.